Okay, so I need to show you guys how I make my awesome ranch dressing. And it's really very simple. And this Nom Nom Ranch is great on pizza, it's great on salads, it's great on sandwiches, it's great on everything. So let's start with a blender cup. This is not your lunch miso. Cut off a big chunk of fresh parsley. Some green onion. You could use chives as well, but my store often does not have chives in stock. Sour cream. A little over like a tablespoon. A hearty squirt of Kewpie mayonnaise. The best mayonnaise. Buttermilk. Liquid smoke. Worcestershire sauce, however you say it. A few capers. White pepper. And you could use fresh garlic if you're okay with like really aggressive garlic flavor, but it can be a little bit overpowering. So I use the more mellow granulated garlic, powdered garlic. And last but not least, a few fillets of anchovy. Salted olive oil anchovy fillets. Do about a third of this package and pour in a little bit of the oil. Now we're going to blend this right up. I'm going to take a second. And our delicious Nom Nom Ranch. My hand's oily with fish juice. My grip strength on this hand is getting a lot better. Delicious Nom Nom Ranch is so ready to go. I'm gonna make a salad later. Thanks, guys.